We got mail today. Have a little good luck dead cats. And then look at this. Finally, gonna improve some audio. Better audio. We got a bunch of filming to do.
It's like a chia pet.
Matt, no! Oh, okay. Oh, I thought you hung yourself there for a second.
Hung myself in the rafters.
Woo, buddy.
Darn tootin'.
We got some of the dry fit in some of the timber frame. We ran out of little 4x4s for the knee braces, but got a few more.
Yeah, and then these guys are gonna get the knee braces. Get a nice little
arch to them, yeah.
This isn't the final. It ain't gonna be.
But this is our bell tower. We should be able to wrap it up tomorrow, minus the stain.
Yeah, so that's 1, 2, 8 more, 6 more.
7, yeah, something.
Honestly, this is my first timber frame construction. This is a 4x4x8 bell tower. And this is fun, it's complicated, it's intense, it's a lot of emotion that I'm battling through and learning a whole bunch. So 4x4x8, this is about, I would say, scaled down to probably times 50 of what we're about to do. A 58 by 80 by 36 feet at the highest point. Construction of an all timber frame construction home. And around me you can see all these timbers that are all going to start getting milled probably late tonight or first thing tomorrow morning. And it's scary, it honestly is, but we're so stoked to say that you know, we did something, and it's not me. I mean, anything and everything that I'm learning is it's coming from above, that knowledge and that patience and all that. So we're definitely having a great hand in guiding us and helping us through this. And just a lot of patience and discourse and talking and debating and arguing. Well, I argue sometimes with Tim, but all in process of figuring out this construction. So follow along as we start chiseling away at our timbers, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this journey with us. Have some fun and see what we're up to in Seward, Alaska.